Round to my room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey, what's up y'all? It's Honky Monster back on my channel, and today, Car Crushers 2 had another big new update. And I will show you guys when I will drive my Lamborghini Egoista. Okay, I have no idea. Bonus Crusher Galore, I'm not even gonna do that. So instead, I'm gonna go down. So they did not add the new Crushers, but as you can see right there, now we have some some new maps, and it's 3 times bigger. It's 3 times the size of the old one. Wow, look at it. It's so amazing. It even has a bridge, and as you can see, it's really tall. Really tall. I'm so excited. I'm really excited for this. Okay, now hold on. Let me just Oh, and as you can see, there's a new race, which I'm pretty excited about it. Okay. Hold on. Before we do the race, the new races. Oh! No! Look how tall it is! Look how tall this map is! It's so freaking tall! Slide on my roof. It even has some puddle for cars to splash on it, like a pool party. Okay, now let's go up. Let's go up. Oh no, don't stop sliding. Alright, just look how tall it is. Look how tall I am. Look how tall. Look how tall I am on this spot. Oh my god. Oh, and also, there is a waterfall there. As you can see, it looks very cool. I think I'm gonna slide on it. Here we go. Whee! That was fun. Alright. Oh, and by the way, I gotta show you guys some new cars that they've updated, and yeah, I'll show you guys. Okay, so first we have a Ford something. I know that's like it's a Ford truck, but I don't know what type of truck it is, what type of Ford it is, but oh well. Oh, I actually also got this, the Toyota GT86 race version, and we have a Nissan Silvia S15 race version. I believe it's in S15, I don't know. And I also got the Nissan Fairlady Z, and I've painted in pink and the new rims. And here we have a Alfa Romeo 305 V6 MTX, which I've completed it in this mission, which is expansion event and rim event, which is, yeah, it's so cool. And I'm not even gonna read it because that's a lot of texting, but this one has less. The map expansion has arrived. Experience a brand new island and participate in this event for special prizes. Collect world orbs.
Collect 10 glowing orbs can be found on the new islands. Collect 20 glowing orbs, collect 25 glowing orbs. Complete new races. Complete a multiplayer race on the track Hickory Valley Speedway. Complete a multiplayer race on the track Hickory Street Circuit. Complete a multiplayer race on the track Ridge Rock Highland Circuit. Complete a multiplayer race on the track Ridge Rock Valley Circuit. Complete 3 server announced competition races, which I already did. So yeah.
And I've got this car. which I showed you guys. And I've customized it, so yeah, it looks really cool and sick. Oh, and here is the Maserati. I don't know what type of Maserati is, but this is similar to like Ferrari, but that's a Maserati. That's the third version. That's our third Maserati in the game. So yeah. Oh, and also something very funny: a turbo scooter, which I've painted in dark purple, so it's really amazing. Okay. Before I show you guys that I drive some new cars, let's go for let's test some new races out. So yeah, I already tested them out when I was trying to get that event, like this car and everything else. So yeah, but we're gonna just test it out for you guys. So yeah, so you know. Okay, maybe they're down there. Ah. Pininfarina. I'm kind of annoyed because because they did not even remodel them. Oh well. Like a Toyota AE86 Torino, which I am just like I'm just begging them to remodel them, okay? Otherwise, I will not like it. Okay, so Hickory Valley Speedway first. Let's do some what the heck? What are you doing? What? I don't understand. Wow. Okay, that was kind of weird. Oh my god. I don't know what you did to my car. Oh well. Hey, don't burn my car. Do not burn my car, please. Okay. Oh, what the? Okay, I might go with the I think I might go with the oh well, I'll just go with this. See how it works out. Okay, maybe I'll lose because he has Batmobile. Maybe I know. Maybe I'll go first. Nope, never mind. Oh, okay. Maybe I should not have picked this car because the handling is so bad. The handling is so bad. I'm quitting this race. I'm quitting this race. I am literally quitting this race. I can't. So there's also a Hickory Valley Speedway. You can see there. That's very cool. And there's a parking spot there, which is so amazing. There's oil wells, super fuel. This car has bad handling. I bet I could pick a better car than this. Oh. Okay. There's only... Okay, 6 players are joined. That's cool. What are you censoring about it? Why do you keep... I don't know. Okay, I'll go with this, Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. In this really cool neon green looking thing. Here we go. Yeah, bro, for FY Roblox chat. Oh my god. You keep censoring it. Oh my god. Let's hope that I will win. Oh, 3 laps. Why don't they pick 1? Oh well. Oh, he's winning, but I have a feeling I'm going to win. Bro, this guy has no problems at all. But I have an even better Good. Speed. Very nice. Okay. Originally, my Bugatti Veyron was red, but like, I was just painting. I just put neon green on it, and I was like, ooh, maybe neon green is actually better than red. So maybe I should put it, and I did put it, and it looked very, very cool. I'm actually really impressed. I mean, green is like my least favorite color, but this is actually not bad with this car. I'm actually surprised. I'm doing good so far. I'm not doing any damage, which is surprising. And I'm still so mad that they didn't remodel the Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. So, yeah. Because of you didn't even remodel the headlights, and you did not even remodel the shape of it. It needs to be like this, not like this. Like, come on, Penwells. Oh, I clipped it. Like, come on, Penwells. Oh, dang it! Now he's winning. Now he's winning. Okay, pretty sure I'm gonna beat him, no problem whatsoever. Maybe. 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 Yes! Haha! Later, loser! I actually did it without any damages. Look at it. No damages, no scratches, nothing at all in this car. This thing is legendary. I love this car so much. Wow. Wow. I hope he does not ruin my expensive Bugatti. Hey, you ruined my... Hey, my Bugatti! Hey, this Bugatti was so expensive. Don't ruin it. Alright, next race. Maybe a Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg Agera R. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Later, Batmobile. Okay, I gotta slow down so I don't screw up, because I know this car doesn't have a very good handling. Okay. Sorry guys if you can hear like wind noises, because it's super windy today. Oh gosh, okay. Bro, he has two good handling cars. I should not have picked this car. So yeah, that was the Hikiri Valley circuit, and this is the Speedway one. It's a very cool race. I bet he's gonna screw up. Watch. Under the bridge. Is he gonna screw up? Oh, not this time. Okay, that was kind of good. Alright, alright, alright. I mean, I don't even care. I don't even care if I got second. I'm just gonna take it still. Okay, Ridge Rock, Highland Circuit. Yes, I'll do it. I have a feeling I might go with this, because maybe it's very good. Alright. Toyotas versus... Okay, two Toyotas versus a lonely Dodge Dart. And it's also very old, so he's not gonna win. But who's gonna win? The old Toyota or the new Toyota? Let's see. Actually, hold on. Wow, I was not expecting that Dodge Dart could beat the Toyota, the new Toyota. But I definitely think he cannot beat me. Oh, I think the new Toyota just like, oh, the new Toyota just give up. He could not do that race. Oh well. I won't bother with that. Okay. Oop. 2 laps is easy. Okay. Okay. Under the bridge. This one, I'm also gonna do it with no scratches. Wow. I'm also gonna do this with no scratches whatsoever. That's cool. Okay, now there's a tilted road. It's getting a little bit tilted. And here we go. And here we go. Here's the second lap. Hey, come to the new island nearest point to airfield. Hold on. I was like, I did not expect a Dodge Dart could just still be in this race, and he's not even giving up. He's not giving me up. That's insane. It's really insane. Okay, oh, that was smooth. Kinda. Because I just didn't hit the brakes too hard. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, we're good. Now hit the brakes, come on. Alright. We're good. We are good. I think it's been 20 minutes, wow. And I feel like I'm just gonna enable the energy core. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Wow. 73 credits? Not bad. Okay. Here we go. Alright, Stunt Park. That's easy. As you can see there, yeah, the new roads there. And also, there's no tunnel in the row 1 and row 2, on, like, under the water. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Huh? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? There we go. I was about to go to the front, but no. Oh well. Hey, banana guy. What? Only few people made it in there? That's a bummer. Bro, that is a very big explosion. And we need to do one more race and that'll be it. One more race and it'll be it. Wow, I have a lot of credits. I've spent so much hours trying to get all the credits. Not all the credits. But I spent so much time trying to get a lot of credits for going derbying. And I've got a lot. That is so crazy. And we'll do one more new race. I think I think I can actually like just instead of going to row 1 and go here, I can actually just go to row 2 and go to the airport, and I'll just like do like that. Yeah, but I did it a little bit too early, or a little bit too right. So yeah, so you know what I mean? I just like do like that. That's how you get to the new island. Very easily. Now one more new race for the day, and then we will go to my private server, and we will test the new cars, on a water slide, and see if they make it into 100 points or not. Okay? And also, that was the Rocky Ridge Valley Circuit one, and now it's going to be the Speedway one. Oh, that was a Highland Circuit, and now it's the Valley Circuit. I was wrong. We haven't done the Valley Circuit. Alright. Going for the Celine. No problem with that. Oh no, I didn't even... Oh my god, I did not even realize it. Oh, he also did not realize it. I did not even realize it. I thought I was... I did not even realize it. I didn't even pay attention to the road. Whoops. Celine versus Ford Mustang. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. Can't stop the headlights, please. I bet he's so close behind me. Nope. Winner for the police, loser for the robber. Oh my god, he was so far, he couldn't like, oh my god. Oh no, so I just want to show you guys that the end of the bridge. I'll show you guys the end of the bridge. Is he gonna knock me? Well, I'll tell you what. Let's do a battle. You tag, you're it. Oh no, why did I do that? Oh. LOL. Oh. Now I'm spinning around. Oh. You just bumped me. Go to a cliff. Go to a cliff. Go to a cliff. Never mind. And don't shoot me. Don't you dare shoot me. Ah! Yeah, victory! Oh, see what I mean? This really cool looking glowing orb. Oh! He thinks I'm a subscriber. He thinks I'm a subscriber, wow. I think you're a subscriber, but I think I am also a subscriber because I make videos. And I'm much richer than you. Maybe now. I don't know. See the bridge? I'll just go up. This guy keeps following me. I don't know how. I don't know why, but oh well. I'll let him keep following me. I like how he keeps following me. Like, that's kind of scary to me, but oh well. Ah! Okay, that's very cool. So, as you can see, there's a jump. Wow. Okay, and also, the highway doesn't end here. Stay tuned for an even bigger expansion coming shortly. Okay. Oh, really? Now I have to reset. And the idea is to go and jump on the airport. So we can jump on this ramp, and then we can land on the airport field. How do you feel about that? Let's do it. Let's do it. Whew. I know it's impossible, but we'll do it for fun. All right. Rev up. Okay. Rev up the engine. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, no, so close. Well, that was a complete fail. Oh well. It was still fun. Wow. Okay, so. All right, I gotta go. All right. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Now let's test out the. Okay, Ford. There's a new Ford. It costs platina as well. As you can see, it's very cool customized. It's a D-Class. I put a snow plow, I put a plow on it, and I put some very cool gold rims, and I even put a big wing on it, and yeah, everything else on this. Cool looking truck. Cool looking pickup truck. Let's test it out on a giant, on the water slide, to see if it can make it to 100 or not. I don't think it will, because it's kind of heavy, and it's kind of big, but oh well, we'll see. We will see. Actually, I forgot to remove this. No, I said I forgot to remove this, so it'll be even more easier to get into 100. Am I right, guys? I think I am right. Here we go. Oh. Okay, that was a little bit. No. I'm not gonna make it in. I'm not gonna make it in. Just like that. I'm not gonna make it in. It's really kind of harder than I thought it would be. Till I got done some damage. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. It's not gonna do it in solo mode, so I'm just gonna help him. If I can straighten out to get into 100. Let's see. Oh, that was kind of close. Oh, I'm afraid it might fall. Oh, it's saved. Oh my god, I thought it would fall out. But no, it did not fall out, and it saved itself. Oh my god, I'm so surprised. I'm actually so impressed and surprised at the same time. Like, wow, I thought it would not, like, I thought it would fail to get to not get in 100, but yeah, it did get into 100. So we did it. We did it. Oh my god. And also, you might be thinking,
Honking, why are you going on a different way?
because on this way, there's like a stick of wood there that's on the way, and I cannot even do that when there's a stick of wood on the way. So I have to do the other way. So it'll be even more easier. This one like reaches to like. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. I like the new island there. Wow. And it has a stop right there. Sadly, there's no airplanes, but oh well. As you can see, 100 miles per hour only, so I don't think it'll make it into a hole. Wow, I've been filming this for like 43 minutes. Jeez. This is going to be a very long video. Whoa! Okay. Just sink in water. Not bad. Could have broke the engine though. No. Because that does not even make sense in real life. Because that does not even make sense in real life. Because it does not flood the engine. I mean, it's, you could drive on water. But it's kind of weird and doesn't make sense at the same time. But oh well. It's still very cool, okay? Okay. So when I put low gravity on, so when did I put low gravity on? Maybe I'll just, maybe I'll just, maybe it's just gonna make it in. Also, I'm gonna use this as a thumbnail. Okay, so just like that. Oh, it bounced. It bounced. Oh, that was so close. Oh my god, that was so insane. It was so close at the same time. Wow.
It bounced. It bounced. Oh, that was so close. Oh my god.
Should we do it again? Let's do it again. Okay. This was actually the picture they showed on X. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? See? You know what I mean? Okay. And let's do it once again. And are you ready for this? Let's see. Okay. So hopefully we will achieve. Only, oh my god. Maybe we'll turn. And maybe it'll... Yeah! There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
I mean, it did land on their side, but it would still very cool. Highway will come out very soon. All right, that was very cool. That was that. Let's put the plow back on. Not this one. This one. I don't know why I keep doing that. Alright. This one. A Toyota GT86 race version. And just so you know, guys, I painted this thing like, what's that color again? What was that color again of that mix of red and like whatever that is? Maybe it's violet? No, it's not violet. Maybe it is, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call it violet. And also, just so you know, guys, this also has, this actually, when it's a race version, it actually also has the movable body, see? You can see, guys? You can see, guys, when I steer. It's also a lowrider because it's a race version. You can see, guys, it's moving up. And I bet it's gonna clip. Yeah, just like I thought. And it's actually like, it's actually similar to another. It's actually similar to the Toyota GT86 version, but this one is upgraded, and it's the race version, and it lowers the body a little bit, and I think it's 10 times better. I have no idea. Oh, went through. Damn. Oh. Whoa. And put some like tan rims. Yeah, this is not going in. This is not going in 100 on solo mode, so I'm just gonna help him once it. What the? What the heck? Okay. It's too low. This car is way too low, but I think it's still cool. Oh, dang it. Okay. What the? What? What? I swear I clicked this button and it didn't even register. I swear I clicked this button and it did not even register? Like, come on. What?
What?
Huh?
Oh.
Something wrong with the physics? No, no, there's not something wrong. I think it's because of this car is way too low. Not the physics. I don't know why I was mad. Okay. Oh, god darn it. Now I know a lot of you are thinking,
Oh, he's gonna waste a lot of time for this.
don't worry guys, I'm just giving him a permission to get in 100 points. Don't worry about it guys, okay? What? What? I don't understand. I'm so mad. I don't understand. Like, I clicked it, and it still did, like, I clicked it. I promise you, I clicked it, and it didn't even work again the second time. That's so strange. What the heck?
Strange. What the heck?
What was that? There we go. A little bit more perfect. Yeah, there we go. It bounced and it made in. Finally. Okay. That's not bad way. So it can get into 100 very easily. Oh. Unfortunately, it's not going to go out. But oh well. Oh. Okay. Made it in. A bit faster than the stock one. 216 miles per hour. Okay. Whoa, it's doing a lot of Beyblades. It's doing a lot of front flip spinning Beyblades. I don't even know what to say. Next is the Nissan Silvia S15 race version. And this is very cool. And I believe it is the S15 because doesn't it look different than the S14? Oh, not bad. Oh, that was smooth. Oh, no lie guys, I actually made it the first attempt on like a few years ago. on some new cars. Only a year, not few years. Only a year that I've tested some new cars on the new updates, and one of them had made it onto 100 on their first attempt. That's crazy. I remember the good old years, and I don't think we're gonna have a new car making it into 100 for the first attempt. Well, that's a bummer, but oh well. It'll still make it to 100. This is crazy. Ooh. No. Okay, decided to help him because he would not make it down solo. So, yeah. Oh, the drifting skills. My drifting skills of this car, this new car. Maybe we'll go over it. There we go. Okay, now put normal gravity. There we go. And I'll put the drift. Okay. I'll show you guys my drifting skills. Actually, I'll just... Oh, what? This bug! Okay, guys, I'm not counting that as... I'm not even counting that as a loose. Okay? Because that was not even a skill. I'm not even counting that as a skill. Now that's kind of a skill. Okay, because this car is like very low too, just like the Toyota. Oh yeah, Tokyo Drift. It's even harder to... Okay, that was kind of not skill, but oh, I'll count that. Oh, that was kind of fail. Oh well. I'll still count with that. Aw, once again. I'm gonna redo this. I'm gonna redo this. No, that's still... That does not look like a real life drift. Let's just do it again. And again, again. This is so I could, like, come on. Oh, that was almost kind of cool. There we go. It's been an hour. Wow. Oh, there we go. A drift crash. Okay, let's put back to low gravity. Oh, and also, guys, I haven't made a Car Crunchers 2 video for a very long time. I don't know why. Because maybe I just already got some cars. Because I was waiting for the updates. Okay, guys, I was just like waiting for the new update to come out. The map expansion. So yeah. 250. It keeps shaking on. Oh, whatever. A lot of kick flips. Now a Nissan Fairlady Z with this hot pink color. With white stripes on. Let's do it. Whoa. Oh, we almost got a first attempt car. We almost got a car that made it to 100 first attempt. Wow. Oh, that would have made it though. Ooh, there we go. That was smooth. That was smooth straight in. But hey, maybe it's gonna get in. No, not in, but like over. Maybe it will. Or not. That was pretty close. Rising down the sun. But the day and night cycle is gone now because Halloween is gone. When Halloween's gone, day and night cycle will be gone too. Oh well. I was a little bit upset, but oh well. At least I can see it much better without the night. At least I can see things much better without the day and night. Right? Yeah. Oh, barely touched it, but I made it. Oh my god, we did a two-wheeling. That was cool.
Oh, barely touched it, but I made it. Oh my god.
A two-wheeling Datsun. I mean, not Datsun. I mean, it's not Datsun. A two-wheeling Nissan Fairlady Z. Two-wheeling Nissan. Oh, did it again. That was...
Two-wheeling Nissan. Oh.
This thing has some lot of this thing has some tricks to it. This thing has a lot of tricks to it. I'm actually very impressed with this car. Might be also one of my favorites. 186 miles per hour. Okay. Now, hit the brakes. I didn't brake it. I did not even brake it much longer enough. I didn't even brake it much earlier. Oh no! So have you noticed about the? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Have you noticed about this car? Well, I think I've read this wrong. It's not a Lamborghini Murcielago. It's a Lamborghini River. It's a Lamborghini Revuelto. Wow. I know like some of the cars, but I don't even know these cars. Because I never heard of. I think I've heard of Lamborghinis, but I never heard of this Lamborghini. Lamborghini Revuelto. That's kind of cool. Okay, next the Alfa Romeo. Pretty sure it's gonna make it in. First attempt. For sure. Or maybe I'm gonna, or maybe not. We'll see. No. Made it to 75. Ah. Whoa, wait, I'm not ready. Oh, man. Oh, for God's sake, I'm not ready. No. Ah. No, it's not gonna happen. It's not even gonna happen. No, don't drift, don't drift. The car was not even ready for it. The car was not even prepared and ready for it. I'm like, come on. Oh, dang it. Oh, that was supposed to be a close one, but no. Okay, I'm just turning this way too much right. So that means I'm going to turn it a little bit even more left. A little bit left. A little bit of left. So that it would not touch the walls. But I don't know if it's going to help it. No. Oh, what? Worried about it. I'm kind of worried about it. Dang it. I'm gonna run out of space. I'm gonna run out of space. Yeah, I'm gonna run out of space, guys. I'm like, wow. Okay, I'm just, okay. Actually, you know what? One more try. Then I'll just put normal gravity and low gravity again. Oh, again? There we go. What the? Okay. My body is stuck. Like wedged. I've been spending it for so much hours. No. Good save. Good save there. It doesn't even make sense that it's an X-Class car. Oh well, it does now. Because I've upgraded. Oh no. Uh-oh, it's not gonna... I have a feeling it's not gonna go... No. Oh well. Oh! Destroyed the back. Like 2 times, like, wow. 2 times? For too tough. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes! No! Whew. I thought I was gonna go into a hole, but no. $251 miles per hour. Just a tiny bit faster than the Nissan. That was not even close at all. That was not even a close save, but oh well. I'll take it as a yes still. The turbo scooter. A very, very funny looking vehicle. It only has one gear, so it's kind of like electric. Not really, but oh well. And it's so tiny and so cute. But I don't think it's gonna go into 100 by like this, like alone. So because it's way too tiny, so I'll just help it. There we go. Aww. Oh, so close. Hey, I actually did it. Okay. Wow, the little piece of the... What is... The little piece of the turbo scooter. Oh. Again, they're airplanes. The tiny little bit of the little piece of the scooter, the turbo scooter, made it in. So yeah. Or very like tall cars, tall vehicles that could tip over. Okay. I broke the front of it. Oh. As you can see, on low gravity, it can do like wheelies. Wow. It's very... Come on. Come on, stop doing wheelies. Whoa! No! Oh my god, why do I... How am I supposed to do this?
Whoa. No. Oh my god.
This is so hard. No! Stop it! Stop the wheeling! Stop the wheeling! I know it's funny, but not right now. Stop the two-wheelers. Stop wheeling! It's not even funny anymore. Stop tipping over, it's not even funny anymore. I'm gonna keep tapping. Oh my god. Oh. Oh! Alright, well. Yep, that's that. It broke instantly. It broke instantly. Okay. Okay. Now you are a funny scooter. Because you did like a backflip. Almost. Not even a backflip. I don't know. What? 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 Oh my god. How is this possible? I did like two wheeling on a turbo scooter? No way.
What? 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 Oh my god. How is this possible?
Two wheeling on a turbo scooter. That's insane. It's very insane. It's so funny at the same time. Wow. How is this even possible? I don't get it. Oh well. Wow. Jeez, that's so hilarious and so funny. And it's so, like, wow. 170 miles per hour. Did not do any damage. Not bad. It's a pretty durable car. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. So yeah, that took very long, like 1 hour and 25 minutes. Wow. So if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know, and yeah, I'll see you guys all soon. Peace.